So we already know the entire situation of the United States President Donald Trump, who has gone ahead and imposed 50% tariff on India, and this entire situation has snowballed into a huge controversy. Earlier it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who spoke about the interests of the farmers and the fishermen. He also went ahead and said that he will be prioritizing the nation first, and for that he is ready to pay a huge price. And today, on the same lines, it is the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh who did not name Donald Trump directly, but he took a jibe at Trump, saying that there is some boss who think they are the boss of the entire nation, of all the nations. They are rather jealous of India's growth. That is, the stern message which was given by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, which we heard. He said that India will continue to grow. We are not going to compromise on the national interest, and there is no country or nation or anybody for that sake which can stop India becoming a developed nation by 2047. This has been the motto of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in the same lines, very strong message being sent out to Donald Trump that we are going to be stern on our foot and we are not going to be bowing down no matter what you do. No matter whosoever's boss you are jealous that India is growing at a very fast pace. And he's also said that Donald Trump, by his tactic, he's trying to rather hurt the economic growth of our country. So there, the top leaders of our country making very, very strong statements against Donald Trump and his way of imposing 50% tariff on India.
कुछ लोग हैं जो भारत के का विकास जितनी तेजी के साथ हो रहा है उन्हें रास नहीं आ रहा है, उन्हें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है। सबके बास तो हम हैं, भारत कैसे इतनी तेजी के साथ बढ़ रहा है। और बहुतों के द्वारा यह कोशिश की जा रही है कुछ ऐसा किया जाए ताकि भारत में भारतवासियों के हाथों से जो चीजें तैयार होती हैं वह दुनिया के देशों में जाएं तो उन देशों में बनने वाली चीजों से वह महंगी हो जाएं, ताकि भारत की धरती पर भारतवासियों के हाथों से बनी हुई चीजें जब महंगी हो जाएंगी तो दुनिया के दोस्त लोग उसे नहीं खरीदेंगे। यह कोशिश की जा रही है। लेकिन बहनों भाइयों, भारत जितनी तेजी के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है, मैं पूरे विश्वास के साथ कहता हूं कि भारत को अब दुनिया की कोई ताकत विश्व की एक बड़ी शक्ति बनने से रोक नहीं सकती है।